Welcome back to another Sunday reset routine. You guys know I love to do these to get ready for the upcoming week. So I have a recipe to share with you guys. I'm cleaning, organizing, doing a little bit of laundry, and I'm also going to be setting up our brand new AeroGarden because we're going to start indoor gardening and I'm so excited about it. So let's get started. I wanted to start this video off by showing you guys this little knife set that I found off Amazon. My little one loves to help out in the kitchen. The set came with everything you see here, along with a cutting board and a peeler. But like I said, they work really well. They cut really well. Highly recommend these. They're safe for kids. I'll have them linked in my Amazon storefront. Now it's time to set up our AeroGarden. We got it for Christmas from my in-laws and I am so excited to get going because I've been so interested in growing my own veggies and herbs, but I've just never had a green thumb. Outdoor gardening is definitely something I want to get into once we settle down somewhere, but for now the AeroGarden is perfect. I did get the XL version. That's the one that Brandon's going to be setting up, and then this one is called the Harvest, which is a tabletop version, so it's good for kitchens and smaller spaces. So the setup is really quick and easy. It's just going to ask you a couple of questions on the screen before you get started. Since it does water itself, you do have to add a good amount of water to start. Then you're going to add just a little bit of plant food, your seeds, and you're done. In case you're wondering, both of our AeroGardens are going to be in our pantry. You do not need any natural sunlight for this. You can grow your plants year round, which is the coolest thing ever. It does all the work for you. So I'm pretty sure once you purchase an AeroGarden, it comes with a pod kit already. Since this was a gift, they did end up sending us a lot of kits, which is really exciting. We have a large variety of tomatoes and different types of lettuce. We do have some herbs. So here's what the little pod kit comes with. It pretty much comes with everything you need. So it comes with those little pods, which are your seeds, some liquid plant food, and these little plastic cups that you put over your pods once you plant them. Each one is labeled so you're not confused. So right now I'm just going to add some plant food directly to the water and then go ahead and place my pods. All right, let's set up the AeroGarden Harvest. This is pretty much a tabletop version of the big one that we just set up. It's perfect for your kitchen, your pantry. This one holds up to 6 pods, so it is a lot smaller than the other one, obviously. So let's set this one up. The setup with the Harvest is the same as the XL version. You add your water, your plant food, and your pods. This also is going to tell you when you need to add more water and more plant food. get started on dinner. We're gonna be doing a sausage and veggie sheet pan meal. I love meals like this because they're super easy. You can prep them ahead of time if you wanted to, and they're perfect for the weekday. This recipe requires a small variety of veggies or whatever you have on hand. I'm gonna do red and yellow pepper, zucchini, squash, and onion. Put it in a bowl with some oil and seasonings. I'm doing salt, pepper, and Italian seasonings just for the veg. So as far as the smoked sausage, you can do turkey sausage, whatever sausage you like. Just make sure it's fully cooked beforehand. And then I just add that into my veggie mixture, but I do like to brown mine first before I add it in with everything else. So you add everything to a baking sheet. I did add some cherry tomatoes at the last minute, and you bake it till your veggies are done or however you like them. We serve it over rice and it's really good. So I usually wash our bedding once a week, but it's been 2 weeks since I washed our duvet cover. I have a love-hate relationship with duvet covers because I love the idea of it. I just don't care for that extra step, but I do like that I can easily switch them out if I wanted to, and I can throw them in the washing machine with my sheets because it doesn't take up my entire washing machine like a comforter would. So we have this cooling mattress cover, and I try to wash this once or twice a month. I don't always get to it, but I'm gonna take it off and deodorize our mattress just by using some baking soda. Now I do try to put a good amount of baking soda on my mattress because I'm gonna let it sit for a couple hours while my sheets are washing and drying. So while that's happening, I'm gonna go into my bathroom and reorganize and declutter some of the cabinets in here. So mainly under my sink and my makeup drawer. So I'm gonna be doing that today. I actually got motivated to do this by watching Jessica's channel. She did this in her recent video, and I'm like, I definitely need to do that. So if you haven't seen her video, check her channel out. You know, my bestie here on YouTube, Jess. I'm gonna start off by taking everything out and putting everything in categories so that I can easily put things back where it belongs. I'm also going to make sure I am throwing out anything that I don't use or it's almost empty or has expired. This stuff has been in here for a long time, so I really need to get this under control again. Containers that I'm using in my cabinet are from the Container Store. I got them a couple years ago when we lived in Texas. I actually have 2 more large ones, and all 4 of those actually fit underneath my sink in Texas, but this one is a lot smaller, so I was only able to fit these 2 in there. So it's a little bit of a struggle at times. The other 2 are under the kids' sink, so I use that as like overflow or their stuff. I love these containers. I will try to remember to link them down below, but they're really good quality. And as you can see, these are like the extra long, narrow ones, so they'll fit pretty much anywhere.
Yeah.
So I labeled both of these containers when I first got them. One is labeled hair and the other body. That makes it a little bit easier to keep things separated. So from the Container Store, I have these little crate-like bins that I'm gonna set directly on top for my skincare.
It's what I thought it was supposed to be. Love story, no guts and no glory. How did I get so dizzy thinking of you? I don't usually get like this. It's something about you I miss. Could it be never had that kiss. Well, I don't usually get like this. 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 Like this. Reminded of how I met you, tried to catch you falling. Instead I fell off myself and I just can't stop falling. These wings are gonna flap for me.
So here's a little reminder of what it looked like before. With a little bit of reorganizing and decluttering, here's what it looks like now. Containers on the top were actually in the drawer in the middle. So I just moved things around and I like this a lot better. Right, let's move on to my makeup drawer. It's a hot mess. I'm gonna do the same thing I did under my sink. I'm gonna clean, declutter, and reorganize.
Never had that kiss. I just wanna kiss you. Well, I don't usually get like this. Get like this. Get like this. No, get like this. Get like this. Yeah, get like it, like it, like this. She loves me not. This bouquet is all I got. I'm dreaming, or could it be a future for you and me? She loves me.
My sheets are finally done washing, so I'm gonna switch those over to the dryer and then go right back upstairs and finish my makeup drawer. use a good amount of scent beads when I wash my bedding because it lasts almost all week long, and there's no better feeling than getting in the bed at the start of the week with fresh, clean bedding. But that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.